about middleware. Here we can see that middleware is a layer between the application and operating system. It's over the operating system but below the application layer. So this middleware it helps to exchange status between two hosts of a distributed application. That's why it's called middleware. And in a smart grid, various components, there are enormous huge number of components in the generation side, in the transmission system, in the distribution system. So the future is to make these devices intelligent and to connect them together with a network to enable them to exchange information and to talk together to make their operation, optimize their operation. So that's sometimes is called Internet of Things, that various things are connected together via wireless or via wire or by any mean. They are connected together. Maybe they have RFID tags, they have their own identification, they can talk together, connect, all have the capability to connect with the network and request some service or put some status in the network or talk to any other components. So that's called Internet of Things. So as I said previously, that interoperability is very important for the smart grid, because there are many systems connected together, and there will be various applications, there will be various service providers, and they all the protocols and all the architectures should work together to make a smart grid a reality. So by talking about the interoperability, we can point to some future challenges, like there should be a provision of future expansion. A smart grid will not be a thing of 5 years or 10 years. It will be a thing of at least 50 years or 100 years. So there will be new devices, new technologies, and new applications. So a smart grid should have the capability to expand itself. It should be able to house the new applications. The infrastructure should not be limited to the just current state of the art of technology, but it should be able to adapt with the changing state of technology and new innovative ideas. So it's kind of like internet. What happened to internet is that the main reason of the success of internet is that it can house the new application very easily. It's very much innovation friendly. So a smart grid also should be innovation friendly. So in the conclusion, it said that a smart grid is currently a a hot topic in the research and business community, and many giant corporations like Cisco, Google, they are showing interest in a smart grid. They already entered the smart grid space and trying to provide some networking solution for a smart grid, and trying to capture the market share. But it's yet to be standardized what a smart grid is really going to be, what will be its extent. People are talking about many things, but it's yet to be seen. And what will be the regulatory model of a smart grid. But smart grid has the potential to revolutionize our civilization, to revolutionize the way we live our life, our technology evolve, the way our critical infrastructures operate, the way our technology evolve, and the way we use energy. So by saying that, I want to conclude my presentation. And about the contribution of the team members, it's a two-member team, me, Mehdi Hassan, and my partner Avik. So I prepared the entire paper on latex, and I wrote abstract, introduction. I wrote about traditional communication practice, communication requirement for a smart grid. I wrote about competing communication standards, RF mesh network, cellular 3G, WiMAX, Zigbee. I also wrote about grid stat. I wrote about conclusion, future work, and I also presented the entire paper on the latex, and I also prepared the presentation as you are watching it. And my partner Avik, he wrote about middleware. He wrote about middleware based network, and he also wrote about Internet of Things. These two sections are written by Avik, and he sent these two sections to me by email. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.